These are the 5 cars that almost never break down, and one of them might surprise you. Starting at number 5, the Honda Civic. Known for simple engineering and bulletproof engines that easily hit 300,000 miles. Number 4 is the Toyota Camry. It is the gold standard for daily drivers, with over 90% of Camrys sold in the last decade still on the road. At number 3, the Lexus LS 400. This luxury beast was over-engineered to the point of being indestructible, famously running even with massive neglect. Number 2, the Mercedes-Benz W123. Built like a tank with a diesel engine that literally lasts forever. Some have clocked over 1 million miles. And finally, number 1, the surprise, the Toyota Hilux. This truck is famously unkillable. It has survived being submerged in the ocean, set on fire, and even placed on top of a demolished building. It simply refuses to die. Which one would you trust with your life? Drop a comment below and subscribe for more car secrets.